Good morning, everyone, and welcome. I'm going to be trying out this Thrive for 2 weeks. So right now what I'm going to do is unbox this. Yes, try this out. How you guys all doing? It's really hot, so you guys might be hearing outside noises. I do live in the city, for those of you who are new. So I live in New York City, big city, and it can get noisy. So sorry about that, in case you guys hear anything, which you just might. Okay, so far the box open. That's what we have. Level Premium Lifestyle Capsule Thrive, formulated for women. Yeah, that'll work. Level Ultra Micronized Nutrition Thrive Chocolate Lifestyle Mix Dietary Supplement. 16 packets, 35 grams each. Okay, this is what the box looks like. It's a nice size box. Okay. And inside is, oh, my shipping information. Okay. I'll check it out later. Thrive Dermafusion Technology, Premium Lifestyle, Weight Management. Okay, so we have this. Alright. So first, let me get my glasses on. It is really, really hot. Look at this. I'm glistening. Yeah, it's really humid. That's why I said in the beginning, sorry about the noises, but it's better than watching me drown in my own sweat. Yeah. Okay. So let's see, what is this? Weight management supports energy and circulation. Mental equity supports appetite management. It says to apply, clean and dry a lean area of the body. Peel off the DFT backing and press the adhesive side onto the prepared area. Oh, this is the patch. Try to rotate application process every day or every other day. Leave the DFT in place for up to 24 hours and replace daily. Combine with a balanced diet, proper water intake, and regular exercise. For premium results, use Thrive Daily. Thrive DFT Daily with Thrive Capsules and Thrive Shake Mix. Okay. Let's check this out. So this looks like. Okay, these are the patches. Oops. My glasses probably a little closer to the window. Ah! So this is 2 weeks worth of patches. Okay. Let's see what this is. I did do my research on this already. I don't just dive into stuff on the blind like that. I don't do that. Oh, these are the capsules. Okay, so I can feel them inside there. Okay, that's enough in here for 2 weeks. Okay. Directions. Take 1 to 2 capsules on an empty stomach or in between meals. Keep out of heat. Keep out of reach of children. Store in cool, dry place. Okay. Vitamin A, 40%. Vitamin B1, thiamine, 100%. Vitamin B2, riboflavin, 100%. Vitamin B3, 60. Vitamin B5, 100. vitamin B6, 100, folic acid, 200, vitamin B12, so far so good, okay. Alright. This. These have to be the shakes. Duh, right? The scissors. Always careful. Practice safety. So the shakes. Chocolate. Okay. Directions: mix or blend 1 packet with at least 8 to 10 ounces of water or milk. You may blend with ice and fruit if smoothie is desired. Okay. So this is what we're going to be doing for today. I'm going to start off the patch. Place the first patch. Because why not, right? Perforated, yeah, there it goes. Okay. Oh, different. That's cute. Alright. I'm going to be doing this every day for the next 2 weeks. So I can have some video on progress. Oh, wait a minute. There's more than that. Okay. This one says Thriver. So today I'm gonna place Thriver right here. Right there. Instead of clean, dry area, I just finished taking a shower. And, well, I didn't just finish taking a shower. I took a shower like almost half an hour ago. So I'm dry. You know, I am thirsty. It's so hot. Just a splash of water. Because I really need it. Oh, while we're here. The patch. Hold on. Okay. It's for placing here. I'm gonna take the capsules for now, and then we'll go in the kitchen, or I'll go in the kitchen and prepare my shake. And some water. Nice. So next is the shake. Into the drink. Smells good. Didn't open it enough. So. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try it out in the water. And I'm gonna shake it up in the same bottle. Looks good. Smells nice. It does smell nice. It's chocolatey. Ooh. I'm really excited for this. Yeah, I decided to try this out because, not that I'm really struggling, but kinda, sorta. Oh my goodness, it smells like chocolate. It's delicious. It's delicious. I tell you guys, this is delicious. And it's rich. It's got that rich taste. It's good. It is good. Yes. What's up? Oh my goodness. It's delicious. I kid you guys not. I'm just trying this out to see if it helps me out a bit. I'm trying to get help with weight management, of course. I just need a little bit of help, a little nudge, a gentle, gentle push, and also with my mood. So for the next 2 weeks, I will keep you guys posted because this is how I'm going to be starting up my day for the next 2 weeks. Doing exactly this: taking the capsules, drinking the shake, and applying the patch. So guys, wish me luck. But like I said, I did do some research on this company, and very promising. So let's see if it helps me out, because we're all different, right? Well, that's it. That's all for now. This is day 1 of the Thrive. Finding out what Thrive is all about. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy, and tune in tomorrow. On a positive note, I'm sure. So, till tomorrow, God willing, may you all continue to stay blessed, beautiful, and